In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom skies in Luminar Neo. If you've ever taken a great landscape photo, but the sky felt flat or blown out, this quick method will help you swap in a better sky in just a few clicks, using your own images. Start by opening your photo in Luminar Neo. Make sure you're in the Edit view so you can access the tools you need. On the right-hand side, look for Sky AI. This is the tool that analyzes your image, detects the sky, and blends in a replacement realistically. Click Sky AI to open it, then open the Sky selection menu. You'll see built-in sky options, but we're going to use a custom one. Click the plus icon to add a sky from your computer. Navigate to the sky image you want to use and select it. JPG and PNG files work perfectly here, so stick to those formats for compatibility and fast performance. As soon as you choose your file, Luminar Neo instantly applies the sky to your photo. You'll see the new sky blend into the scene automatically, aligning with the horizon and taking care of the basic masking for you. Give it a moment to render if your photo is large. The custom sky you added will now be available in your sky selection list, so you can reuse it on future images without importing it again. To keep your workflow smooth, a few pro tips will help. First, organize your sky files into folders on your computer before you add them. Think categories like sunset, blue sky, storm, or golden hour. This makes it faster to find the right mood and keeps everything tidy. Second, try not to load too many skies at once in your Sky AI library. Keeping it under about 50 tends to preserve snappy performance and quick previews. If things start to feel sluggish, remove a few you don't use often, or manage the library so only your best sets are loaded. Third, if your newly added skies don't show up right away in the sky selection dropdown, simply restart Luminar Neo. A quick relaunch refreshes the library and usually solves missing thumbnails or delayed updates. That's it, the simplest way to add custom skies in Luminar Neo. Open your photo, jump into Sky AI, add your own JPG or PNG, and let the software handle the heavy lifting. With a little organization and a light library, you'll keep everything running smoothly and be ready to elevate any scene with the perfect sky.